The cleaning industry is in a state of upheaval, shortage of skilled workers, increasing cost pressure, and at the same time, customers are demanding more and more. More performance, more reliability, more transparency, more quality at the highest level, and more efficiency. But human efficiency has its limits. The perfect time for Nexaro. Founded in 2021, Nexaro combines the innovative power of a startup with decades of expertise of an industry leader, with the goal of revolutionizing professional cleaning. And only Cobotics can do that. The innovative Nexaro NR1500 takes over monotonous, repetitive, and physically demanding tasks and collaborates perfectly with a cleaning staff. Autonomous, precise, reliable, efficient. With a congenial Nexaro hub, an entire fleet of Nexaro vacuum robots can be organized, controlled, and monitored, even across multiple locations if required. Intuitive, scalable, secure. This enables a level of efficiency in building cleaning that never existed before Nexaro. In a nutshell, Nexaro is the future of automated floor cleaning. Our message is clear. The era of Cobotics has just begun. Nexaro. Secure your success.